Hey guys, what's going on? Just going to do a quick update here on Polygon, ticker for this is Matic, and currently on the weekly time frame. The last time I did an analysis on this coin was about 6 or 7 days ago, and in it I just basically mentioned that we were coming up to the top of this downsloping level of resistance. Overall, long term, this is basically a bullish continuation pattern, right? But in the meantime, we're just going to bounce around in between this level of resistance and this upsloping level of support. These will, of course, tend to break to the upside. However, it looks like we got rejected right here, right? So yeah, downsloping level of resistance, price came up, and as soon as we came up to this resistance line, sellers came in, sold off. But in addition to this sell-off right here, resistance, we formed a head and shoulders pattern, right? So I'm going to take this down to the 4-hour and just show you what I mean, right? So we have the shoulder, the head, the shoulder, the neckline right here broke down. Kind of wish I was paying more attention to this at the time, right? I wasn't looking at the chart, but yeah, this was a pretty obvious short opportunity at the neckline break right here, right? Now, as for how to trade this right now, well, this head and shoulder breakdown has a target. Actually, first I'm going to show you, let's run a fib, right? So let's pick this back out to the daily time frame, and I want to see the Fibonacci retracement levels, right? So I'm going to take a fib, run it from the low up to the high, so the start of the move right here. Let's take it all the way up to the high, and this will give us potential levels where support will come in, right? So we broke right through the 382. Next level down is the 50 at around 70 cents, and this level is confluent with the price action. So actually, I'll take a horizontal ray right here, and if I run it right here, it's basically the top of these wicks. So it was resistance right here. And yeah, you can look to this area as a potential level of support. Again, that's slightly over 70 cents. Next level down beyond that, we do have more confluence with the price action in this golden pocket range, right? You see, this was resistance all throughout here. So if this 50 level breaks, this is going to be a pretty good opportunity to perhaps enter a long position, depending on if when the price comes down here, you're getting some bullish reversal signs. And the price in this range is around 64 cents down to about 63 cents. Okay, now while we have this Fibonacci on, let's take this back down to the 4-hour. And this head and shoulders breakdown does have a potential target, okay? So to get that, what you want to do is a measured move from the top here to the neckline, and then you project this from the neckline break, right? And this target from the head and shoulders break will take us right down to this golden pocket range. Make that if you will. These targets don't always hit, but this is just basically the textbook way to measure the breakdown target from a broken neckline on a head and shoulders pattern. That's going to bring us right down to, yeah, exactly the 618 down to the 65% golden pocket range, which is confluent with this price action. So if the price comes down to this 50, you may want to take a bite at that with a tight stop loss and maybe long back up to this range. However, the area to buy, if you do get the opportunity, that's going to give you basically a higher percentage of playing out in your favor, is going to be down here at this golden pocket range, because we have confluence with the price, we have confluence with the fib, and we have confluence with the breakdown target of the head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so let's get rid of this for now. Let's get rid of this here. And let's just zoom back out to the weekly time frame and get a broad view overview about what's going on. Yeah, basically bullish continuation pattern. We're just kind of bouncing around here. Eventually, these lines are gonna converge, and the trading range is gonna get a lot narrower. This pattern here has a breakout target of about June 2024. However, it can break out at any time before that, right? So if in the unlikely scenario that we come back to the bottom of this upsloping level of support, first of all, right here is going to be a high probability trade setup to enter a long position. But if this level breaks, next level down beyond that, I would look to this horizontal level of support, and that's going to be around about 38 cents. So definitely just mark this on your chart. So just take a horizontal trend line. I would paste it at the low of these candle bodies right here. But if you kind of look left, you're going to see that this level was a long-term resistance. We came back down to it, and it was the support level right here, based of course on the close of these candles. So definitely, if the price does find its way back down here, which I don't think is going to happen, I'm going to be longing this area. And I will even likely long if we come down to the lower support level of this triangle formation, right? So price moves down here. If Bitcoin collapses and the rest of the market follows, down here, I'm looking to buy. I'll also probably look to buy at the what I just showed you, the golden pocket range, the retracement level. I already gave you the price range for that. Take this back down to the 4-hour and let's get a closer look. This could potentially be a long opportunity if you wanted to take that at around 70 cents, the 50% retracement level, and it's also confluent with the price action. Now, if from here the price works its way back up to the broken neckline of support, this is going to likely give us a little bit of a resistance as well, so you may want to look to enter a short if the price does come back here with a stop loss above. That's another potential trade setup. Or, if we just head all the way back up, we break this, and we come back up to this upper level of resistance from the top resistance line of the triangle. You know what? If we do come back up here, I'm not going to long it, just because getting support here at either the 50, the 618, and then coming back up to this level of resistance and not having to come all the way back down to the lower range here, I would actually interpret that as a bullish sign, and I would not look too short if we come up to this resistance level. I would likely just wait to see if we break it. And if we do break it, that's definitely when I'm going to look to long. If I can catch it in time, I'll enter. But if I miss it, I'll probably wait for the pullback to retest this broken level of resistance as a support. And I'll target these upper levels right here. So I'll just run a quick fib just to show you the targets to the upside if we are able to break out of this long-term symmetrical triangle. So the first level I would target would be right here, 618, and that is confluent with the price action right here. And then beyond that, the range I have is based off the top of these candle bodies right here, weekly time frame, and then up here at the 786. So between $1.47 and $1.80. So yeah, these are the levels pending an upside break. However, right now, we just broke down from a head and shoulders pattern. Again, just to recap, price comes up here, short opportunity, price comes down to the 50% retracement. That's a long opportunity. However, you have a higher probability long opportunity down at the 618, and I already gave you those levels. All right, guys, hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, smash the like button. If you want to get notified when I release new content, click subscribe, click the bell, click on all. If you click away without doing that, you're probably going to have a hard time finding the channel again, just because it's relatively new, less than 2,000 subscribers, as you can see. So yeah, because of that, I'm not really prioritized in the search algorithm. Also, if you want to place to trade Matic, I put the link to 3 different exchanges in both the pinned comment and description. All 3 are offering you guys sign-up bonuses. And I think because we're approaching Black Friday, they're offering you guys even more bonuses for signing up. So definitely check that out if you want to get some freebies. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day. Bye.